In this video, we will see how to send activation emails in bulk to Okta users using Postman. To perform these steps, you will need an Okta org and Postman. Before following those steps, you must first make sure that Postman is already configured to work with Okta. Let's get started. First, we will configure the CSV file of users we want to activate. We have already prepared a CSV file for the purpose of this video. This CSV can be created by running the Okta Password Health Report from the Admin UI. By clicking on Reports, again Reports, Okta Password Health Report, and selecting users we want to activate. Please keep in mind that the header column of this CSV must be login. Next, we will configure Postman. We will navigate to the Activate User API call and change User ID variable to login. If you do not have this API call, you can import it from the Okta developer documentation linked in the KB article. Please also keep in mind that login is a valid variable configured under your Postman environment variables. Now, we will configure Postman Runner. Postman Runner can be accessed by clicking the Runner button in the bottom right of Postman. After clicking on the Runner button, we will drag the API calls we want to use into the Run Order box. In this case, we will use the Activate Users API call. Please ensure that only this API call is selected. Next, we will configure the iterations for this runner automation. This is equal to the number of rows you have that contain data in your CSV file. We will also configure a short delay of 100 milliseconds. Lastly, we will select our CSV file and then click on Start Run. Postman Runner will begin making these API calls and showing the results. Once this process completes, these users will be activated and activation emails will be sent. We can validate this by navigating to the Okta Admin console and viewing these users. If you found this video helpful, we encourage you to like and subscribe to stay up to date with the latest help resources.